Hi everybody, it's me Sissy. I got a Dollar Tree haul for you today. Me and my mom went to a little Dollar Tree that's a town over from ours, so it's like a 45-minute drive, so we made a little trip of it, spent the day. But the first thing I got is this Arm & Hammer extra strength carpet odor eliminator. This is not really the best buy. You can get this a larger size for $1 at Walmart, but I was in there and I remembered it, so I picked it up. And I got some food items this time. I don't usually buy food at Dollar Tree, but I did pick up a few things. They had these Fiber One brownie bites. You get 5 pouches, so you can't beat that. That's a good deal for that. And this is all mixed up, so there's no telling I'm going to pull out this bag. I got the Taster's Choice decaf coffee for my mom. Just that she likes the instant coffee, so I got that. And now this didn't come from Dollar Tree. It came from Dollar General or General Dollar. I can never remember what the name of that place is. But anyway, it's one of the little art wall decals. It says, "Bless this house and all those who enter." That's really cute. And that's going to be on a DIY coming up right after this video, I promise. I know y'all are watching me go like, she bought all that craft stuff and she ain't made anything yet, but I am going to make this stuff, I promise. A bag of kettle chips, and that's the home style. My mom and my son like those. They tell me they're good. And I got some of these little miniatures, the snowman. I think I got 2 packs of this. Another pack is in here somewhere. But this is going to be for a DIY too. Hopefully it will be up right after the other DIY I promised you. And then I got this pretty fleece scarf. And now this, I'm not really going to wear this as a scarf. I got this because I wanted this checkered material. But you will be seeing that coming up in a DIY. Maybe. I hope. I really hope. And then my mom got these cookies to try. The fancy assorted cookies. 7 ounces. And it's 3 different, it's wafer cookies, sandwich cookies, and then sweet cookies. So she's going to give those a try, and I'll let y'all know how she liked them. And then this is my favorite thing that I found. I am a sucker for these flour sack towels, and they have these beautiful Thanksgiving ones that says "Eat, Drink, and Be Thankful." And then it's all about that bass, which that Meghan Trainor song, All About That Bass, was, I love that song. So, and then there's another "Eat, Drink, and Be Thankful" with the little leaf design on it. And then I got this one for my wine bar that says "Is it wine o'clock yet?" So I thought that was really cute. I couldn't pass it up. And then, and the Christmas stuff, I got this cute gingerbread cookie one that has a recipe on it, and the matching pot holder. So those are really cute. Those were my favorite things. They had so many other designs, but I mean, I have so many already, but you know, you can use new. You can use more. And then I got the cute Betty Crocker measuring cups, and I believe the measuring spoons. Now, and these are good. I mean, you can't go wrong with this stuff. You can't go wrong with a measuring cup. The only fault I have with these, when you wash them, the little measurements are going to come off of it. So that is a drawback, but they're good for, you know, using a few times. But anyway, I got those. And then I did get a few Christmas decorations. I got the snowman top hat with the little greenery on it. That's so cute. I'm trying to make a DIY with this, but I think it might be a little bit too big, but we're going to give it a try. And I finally found my little sleigh. I wanted the red one, but I had to settle for the silver one. That was the only color they had, so I got that. And then me and my mom had to get the singing snowmen. So aren't they just so cute? I love those. So we got those. And I think that is all of my Christmas stuff. Nope, I was wrong. Here's another thing with the miniatures with the snowman in it. And the another food item. My son loves these little mini pizza crust, so I got him 2 packs of that. And there's 2 crust in each one. So, and then they have a larger size where you can get one, so you can't hardly beat that. And it tastes much better than making a frozen pizza. He really likes it. So, Then I did get the Barello cranberry and sweet orange facial wipes. They smell so good. I was tempted to get all the things they had that were in the cranberry and orange flavor, but I restrained myself because I have so much lotion and powder and soap that I just got the wipes because I know I'm going to use those up. And then I got the, what's it called? Global Beauty Care, the gold face mask, and the retinol skin cream. I thought these might be little stocking stuffers. I'm going to try this gold one, just because it's so bougie to put all that gold all over your face. So I'm going to do that. And then I did get one for a stocking stuffer also. Got my sponges. I love these sponges. You can't beat this. You get 6 in a pack. When you wash, and then, you know, once a week you can throw it away and you don't have to feel bad about it. Because I would like to do reusable things, but I want it to be clean and I worry about the germs, so this is the best answer I can find. And then I got a pack of the gingerbread cookie mix because, you know, Christmas is coming, so we need to start getting that stuff now. And another pack of coffee for my mom. This has 5 pouches in it. It says 50% more coffee in each pouch. So I don't know how much water you're supposed to add. What does it say? I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see. Bottom, I don't know. And it has an expiration date of January 2020. So I'm not sure how much. Well, I just usually make it, just put it in the coffee cup, so I guess it makes like 2 cups. And then I got one of the power strips. These are great to have. I love those. And they had a new Rip It energy drink, the Tribute, and I always get the sugar-free because it's sugar-free and carb-free, even though this still has some things in it that if you're strictly keto, is not good for you, but I'm more of a low-carb, trying to be keto person, and I love these things, so I can't, I've given up everything, but I'm not giving those up. And then I got my hair stuff. This is a new one. I used to like to use the leave-in conditioner, the shea butter, but I can never find it. But so now they got this You Are Curly Tight Curl Enhancer with Abyssinian oil, no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, and no dyes. And it has aloe and honey, and it adds moisture, which I'm always trying to get some moisture in my hair because it is so very, very dry. And I think I went overboard. I got 6 packs of it, but I can't find it in my Dollar Tree at home. I found 1 pack of it one time, so I just went ahead and grabbed 6 of them. And then I got a little red basket because you can never have too many baskets. And it's red, and I can put a Christmas present in it maybe. I don't know. But anyway, that's my Dollar Tree haul. I hope to be right back up with some DIYs, so y'all stay tuned and hopefully they'll be up. Everybody have a great day. Bye.
Bye.